Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect a hosting a domain to Shopify. Alright, let's begin. First, log into both Hostinger and Shopify. Once you're in Shopify, go to the Settings menu in the bottom left corner and select Domains. This will show you all the domains connected to your Shopify account. If you're just starting, you'll only see the default Shopify domain. Now click Connect Existing Domain and enter the domain you want to connect. Copy the domain from Hostinger, add www in front, and paste it into Shopify, then click Next. Next, you need to add DNS records in Hostinger. Go to the Manage section of your domain, select DNS name servers, and then click Manage DNS records. Delete any existing CNAME and A records. Once done, add 2 new records. First, a CNAME record with the name www and the target shops.myshopify.com. Then, an A record with the name @ and the IP address provided. After adding the records, return to Shopify and click Verify Connection. If everything is correct, Shopify will recognize your domain. Finally, set the newly added domain as your primary domain. So that's basically how you can connect a hosting a domain to Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.